Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to make your Spotify playlist public. So when you make a playlist public on Spotify, then your friends, contacts and also everyone else will be able to see your playlist. They will also be able to save and share the playlist. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started. First of all, open Spotify on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. You can see the homepage of Spotify on the screen. Now to access your playlist, you'll have to go to your library. So for that, tap on the Your Library option at the bottom menu. And on this page, you can see all of the playlists you've created. Now to make a playlist public, you'll simply have to tap on the playlist first. Now on this page, you can see the lock icon at the top left corner below the name. That means my playlist is private. Now to make the playlist public, all I have to do is tap on the three dots below the lock icon. On this page, you can see the option Make Public at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. And as you can see on the screen, the playlist has been made public. Now your friends and contacts as well as other people will be able to see the playlist. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and stay tuned for further tutorials. Thank you.